Welcome to the Rachel's and Friends channel. Today we're going to make a pop-up calculator. As you remember from my last video, I made a simple calculator, but today we're going to make it in pop-up form. So let's see how this works. So enter your first number. I'm going to do 3. My next number I'm going to do 7. Calculate. Addition answer is 10. Your subtraction answer is -4. Your multiplication answer is 21. And your division answer is 0.42857, etc. So now let's see how this works. So import PySimpleGUI, which is a library, and SG is just a nickname for it. Now for the layout, it shows all the things that you could type in or click. So enter your first number, just tells you could enter it. This line tells, so you could type in it, which is the same as this line. SG button is a button that you could click that's called calculate. Windows equals SG window, that tells it to open, that there's a window. It's called calculate. And there's a layout. The margin tells the computer how big you want the window to be. Button, comma, value, Windows read. Windows read is very important for this because it tells this to the computer to open this window onto your screen. Now let's see line 13 and 14. Num1 equals to int, parentheses, values, 0. This line is the same except it's number 2 and the values is 1. For a computer, the value 0 is the value 1, and for 1 is the value 2. So the int tells the computer that it's a number, not just any random sentence. Now SG pop-up answer. Now we're going to get into the addition, the subtraction, multiplication, division, and we're going to make a new pop-up. Your addition answer is colon, comma, and number 1 plus number 2, which tells our two variables to add together. All these other lines is very similar except it's subtraction, multiplication, and division. To close the code off, we're going to have a closing parenthesis. So let's recap on what we've done with this code. So first, this side is from the margins that tells how big it is. These lines over here show on the first pop-up screen, and I'm going to do 2, and my next line I'm going to do 8. Calculate, which is from this line right here. Your addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division are from these lines right here. So that's how you make a pop-up calculator. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe!